Welcome back to Jules Math Tools, where math is made easy. In this session, we are going to be dividing improper fraction by another improper fraction. And if you're ready to see how this is done, let's get started. So today we are going to be calculating the quotient of two improper fractions. And to get started, let's begin by applying our rules for division, which tells us to keep the first fraction the same, change our division to multiplication, and then take the reciprocal of our second fraction, which means that the fractions places are going to be swapped. So now that we've applied our rules for dividing our fraction, let's begin with our multiplication. So remember that we're multiplying numerators together. So 49 will be multiplied by 7. And 7 times 9 is 63. We put our 3 and carry the 6. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 6 will equal to 34. So in our numerator, we'll have 343. And then we're going to calculate our denominators, where we have 12 being multiplied by 23. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. We'll add in our 0, begin multiplying by our 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 will equal to 2. Let's sum our numbers together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, and we'll bring down our 2. So in our denominator, we'll have 276. Let's draw in our division line or our fraction line. And now we are going to simplify our fraction. And in looking at both parts of our fraction, they do not have any common factors. So that means that I now need to just change this fraction into its mixed fraction form, where my fraction will be left in its simplest form. So 276 divides into 343 ones. And for this part, you can feel free to do the subtraction if you want to do that. If you didn't go through the division, this was one thing that I did in the process of my working out. I did the subtraction so I could have just known what difference was left over. So for you, if you need to do this as well, please by all means go right ahead, but you do not have to. So I know that after 276 was subtracted from 343, that means in my numerator, I would have had 67, and in the denominator, I would have had my denominator stay the same, which is 276. And again, 67 and 276 does not have any common factors, so your fraction is in its simplest form. So remember that when working through improper fractions, most times you do have to convert the fraction back into its mixed fraction forms. And in some cases, you are able to reduce the fraction first to lowest term before doing this step. But in this case, we didn't have to. So we are going to stop here for the day. And as always, get some additional practice in. And I'll see you right here in the next video at Jules Math Tools, where we aim to make math easy.